Hi guys, this is Kevin. Welcome to another episode of Simple Car Stuff, the show where I empower ordinary people to do simple repairs and upgrades on their own cars. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the simple repair of changing out your front headlight. So, enjoy.
Alright, so here's my Toyota Sienna. Got my new headlights, a 9006 bulb. First thing you want to do is pop the hood and locate the light that you want to change. Down here is actually the high beam, and then if you look up in this corner up here, the low beam is the top one. So it's interesting. You got your high beams down there and your low beams up there. I'm going to be changing the low beams today. So notice I can't quite get my hand back there because that plastic fuse box cover is in the way. I'm going to take that off, get it out of the way just to give me another inch or so room. And then what you're going to do is reach back there, give that an upward twist, and that light will come out connected to the cable harness. So remove that clip, take the bulb out, and get yourself your new bulb. And that just goes and clips right back into place the same way the old one came out. Snap it into place and put it back in that slot, and give it, once it lines up, give it a little downward turn, and that will lock it into place. Real simple. Now turn on the lights and make sure they work.